Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 28th, 2025, and we're diving into the third quarter earnings report of UPS. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss UPS's latest earnings report, which provides a comprehensive look at their financial performance and strategic initiatives for the third quarter of 2025.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. UPS reported consolidated revenues of $21.4 billion for the third quarter. John, how does this compare to their profitability metrics?
UPS has shown strong profitability with an operating margin of 8.4% on a GAAP basis and 10.0% on a non-GAAP adjusted basis. The adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.74, significantly beating the analyst forecast of $1.31. This indicates robust operational efficiency and effective cost management.
That's impressive. What factors contributed to this performance?
Their strategic initiatives, including a sale-leaseback transaction that resulted in a $330 million pre-tax gain, played a crucial role. This transaction alone contributed 30s to the diluted EPS, showcasing UPS's ability to leverage its assets for financial gain.
Segment performance analysis. John, can you break down the performance across UPS's different segments?
Sure. The U.S. domestic segment saw a revenue decline of 2.6%, primarily due to a decrease in volume. However, the international segment experienced a 5.9% revenue increase, driven by a rise in average daily volume. On the other hand, the supply chain solutions segment faced a significant revenue decline of 22.1%, largely due to the divestiture of Coyote in the previous year.
How did these segments impact the overall operating margins?
The U.S. domestic segment had a non-GAAP adjusted operating margin of 6.4%, while the international segment maintained a strong margin of 14.8%. Despite the revenue drop, the supply chain solutions segment achieved a high operating margin of 21.3%, reflecting efficient cost management.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. UPS has been undergoing significant strategic shifts. Can you elaborate on their transformation strategy and future outlook?
UPS is executing a comprehensive transformation strategy, incurring $250 million in costs this quarter. This includes initiatives like Transformation 2.0 and network reconfiguration, aimed at enhancing operational efficiency. Looking ahead, UPS expects fourth quarter revenues to reach approximately $24 billion, with capital expenditures for the year around $3.5 billion.
And what does this mean for investors?
These strategic moves are designed to deliver long-term value. With a focus on efficiency and growth, UPS is well-positioned to capitalize on future opportunities, making it an attractive prospect for investors.
CEO insights and company vision. Let's talk about the leadership's perspective. What did CEO Carol Tomé have to say about these results?
Carol Tomé expressed gratitude towards UPS employees for their dedication and highlighted the strategic shift as the most significant in the company's history. She emphasized that the changes are aimed at delivering long-term value for stakeholders. With the holiday season approaching, UPS is poised to run the most efficient peak in its history, ensuring top-notch service for the 8th consecutive year.
It sounds like UPS is gearing up for a strong finish to the year.
Absolutely. Their strategic focus and operational readiness position them well for the upcoming peak season, which is crucial for their annual performance.
Key takeaways. In summary, UPS has delivered a strong third-quarter performance with impressive earnings and strategic initiatives paving the way for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
UPS's ability to exceed earnings expectations and their strategic focus on efficiency and growth make them a compelling investment opportunity. Their guidance for the fourth quarter and beyond suggests continued strength.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on UPS's performance in the comments below.